idioms today. And I have that written on the board. Do you know what an idiom is? Audrey.
Isn't it like, I forget what it's called now, but it's like a metaphor or simile, and one of the examples would be like, it's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs. Have you heard that?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean? Simply, I mean, we all know what that means, correct? Derek?
It's raining heavily.
It's raining heavily. Okay? Idioms are funny, but I think the coolest thing is they're kind of fuzzy problems. And a fuzzy problem means that they don't really have a real answer. Okay? A bunch of people speculate as to where idioms come from and their origins, but there's not a real answer. Okay? So many times when you're given work, you are asked to resolve a problem that already has an answer, right? Math or something like that. Not always, but most of the time. However, what if I give you a problem that there's no answer to? Is that beneficial?
Mm-hmm.
You think so? Why do you say that?
Because then you find an answer that no one else has thought of.
Oh, okay. Anybody else have any other thoughts to why this type of thinking is important, Audrey?
It makes you start thinking, and that one question could lead to other questions.
Mm-hmm.
And if it makes you really, really curious, you can find it out, and that's how our world gets formed from everybody answering questions.
Right.
And so you can learn things from that.
Yeah, innovation, right? I mean, you can come up with brand new ideas. A candle or electricity wasn't invented because somebody kept perfecting a candle, right? They came up with new ideas. So you all today are going to be using Schoology to do research on the origins of a specific idiom, okay? And this idiom is going to be, well, you know what? I'll just pull it up on the projector so you can see it. So I'm going to go to your class, and under course materials, there's going to be a purple folder called Idioms. Okay, so you're going to click on that, and this is going to be a discussion post. Have you done this before in Schoology?
You taught us.
Yeah, other than in my class? Okay. So you cannot see, I set this up so you can't see anybody else's answer until you post. Okay, that's purposeful because there are several different origins of where the whole 9 yards comes from. Okay, so the question is simply, what is the origin of the whole 9 yards? And you're going to put, don't copy and paste silly, okay? You're going to put the resources that you found. You can also, this is rich text box, so you can actually add pictures if you want. You can put hyperlinks in if you find a video or something, you can add that. And then you're going to also rate it, how mysterious was this word's origin on a scale from 1 to 5, with 5 being the most mysterious, okay? What does that question mean? How mysterious was this word's origin on a scale from 1 to 5, with 5 being the most mysterious? What do you think, Evan?
Like it just comes from a weird place or something like that.
Okay, like maybe it has a ton of different meanings, possible origins. Yeah, I think so. All right, so this should be fun because you're going to start once you post yours. It doesn't have to be something really in-depth, but you're going to be able to see each other's comments and look at all the different origins, okay? Or you might find other people have found the same origin as you, okay? All right, so I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to do your research on this idiom, the whole 9 yards. And you can grab a Chromebook, get on Schoology, and I will do this with you, okay? Because I have not done it yet either. Let's see what Dr. Cherries.
How do you like start the discussion?
You will just type in that little box.
So write a comment.
Yep. Write a comment, type in the box.
That's it. Does origin mean like where it came from or what it
Exactly,
means?
where it originated, where it originally, you hear the word origin, original?
Mhm.
Are you finding some info? You don't have to put every single origin, okay? You just find one and roll with it.
Like which country it came from?
It came from here,
Okay,
this classroom.
but with the origin,
America.
that could be, that's a good question. However, what I'm more thinking of, where did the term come from? How did we associate its meaning? Like, how do we know what the whole 9 yards means? Where does that come from? Does that come from? How do we know what the whole 9 yards means? Where does it's raining cats and dogs come from? see if we have any updates. Oh, we do. I have mine up here. First Vietnamese.